i35equipment.com. This is a Komatsu PC210LC-11 hydraulic track excavator. Nice big machine for job site, or if you want to take it out on the ranch and do some digging with it. It does have a brand new Trojan bucket with cutting wings on there. Auxiliary hydraulics, in case you decide you want to hook up a hydraulic thumb or other attachment. We do have both manual and hydraulic thumbs available that could be installed or sent with it. If you're interested in that. We also have other buckets available. See our full and up-to-date inventory of buckets and equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. This machine has 3 travel speeds, weld-on side guards, has the hand and safety rails, rear view camera, cold working air conditioning. Real nice condition. Factory Komatsu seat in it. He's gonna run it so you can see the undercarriage, and then he'll probably do a little digging for us. It's a nice, powerful machine. Excellent reach for demolition. Welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator. Come check it out for yourself. We're open by appointment only. Those just give us a call again on the counter. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. We do send equipment all over the country, so get issued to you, if you issue at all. Just go out for my website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address, several local haulers, and nationwide broker, and get back at the best rate that comes back to us. If you're in our local area, we allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll unlock the gates and show you where to come to. Please no trash, trees, or grass. Nice big scoop, no problem. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out a form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. Let them get parts, and we'll check out the bucket, motor, everything else, undercarriage, then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around in there. Your auxiliary hydraulic hookups, in case you need to put a hammer or hydraulic thumb or anything else on it. So you've got storage underneath this step. Fluids all look real good on it. Recently had a oil change. Sounds like it's running great to me, but like I said, we welcome you to bring your mechanic operator and have them come check it out for you, or hire some local ones to accompany you. Yeah, it looks to be in good condition as well. It still has hand and safety rails up there. Doesn't look to be abused to my eye. Nice and dry, just the way you want it to be. Good looking motor changes. Got all the guards underneath here. Got your quick pattern control changer right there. So no matter who's in the operator's seat, you can ride home with your pattern control of choice. Right, I'll zoom out to the fish islands here. Give you a good view. May distort just a hair, but gives you a real good view of the interior. Nice cold working air conditioning. Komatsu factory seat. Check here. Tilt. That air suspension. You see it coming up there. Okay. All right. Let me get this door shut so we can keep some of this nice cold air conditioning in here. Okay, no issues, no lights. Currently sitting at 54, 52 hours. Make sure I wipe off my camera just a little bit for you. Kind of get to see. There it is. Real nice display, rear view camera. Throttle, ignition, lights. The two lights that are on are the hydraulic lock because I've got it off for safety, and the seatbelt. Working radio. Let's give me a check out before we go. Cup holder there. Seat looks to be in real good condition. Oh, nice. We've got a operation and maintenance manual right there. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. As I said, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment, attachments, buckets, and more online at www.i35.com. We'll sticker up here so you can see it. There it is. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope you have a wonderful day.